next mod for the Axial SCX24. We're going to be upgrading the stock servo and steering links with the Emax steering servo, along with the hot racing steering servo mount for the Emax and the Treal aluminum steering links. Here is the Emax Servo. Now all the servo horns are white. This one's black. I like how it's black because it blends in. I don't want the white to stand out. So we're gonna have to spray paint. And then here is the hot racing aluminum servo mount, and it is for the Emax. There is a difference between the Emax and the stock one. The Emax is actually a little bit bigger of a servo. And last but not least, we have the Treal. Once again, more Treal stickers. They just give stickers with everything you purchase. I wish Hot Racing would give stickers. And there is the aluminum steering links, and you also get all the screws for that as well. So first things first, we have to paint this servo horn. So while the paint dries on that horn, let's start putting this back together. So I noticed after putting this servo horn on, if you look at that bottom hole, it's even with this tie rod. So when I put the drag link on, it's not gonna work. So I have to trim the servo horn, probably one hole. Okay, I cut the bottom off. Now we have to attach this first before we put it on the servo. So yeah, there is a noticeable difference with the Emax servo, a lot stronger. And then the upgrade with the linkage. So there was a lot of play with the stock plastic linkage, but with this Treal aluminum linkage, it firms it all up, so another good upgrade there. Also, you're adding front weight, not only with the Treal aluminum links, but also with the Emax servo. I haven't weighed this in a while. I wonder what it weighs. So I didn't weigh it since I put the double barrel shocks on. So we are gonna see what we're at now. We're at 9.2. Now we're gonna climb this. So here we're sitting at 48 degrees. We'll start out with that. I also noticed that with these double barrel shocks, it really lifts the front end up. I'm gonna put the regular Treal shocks on that aren't double barreled, so that way it doesn't lift the front end up so high. In fact, let's do that right now. I have the regular Treals on now, so there isn't a lot of travel on the front axle, so the front end shouldn't lift up too high and throw the center of gravity off. So let's... So that went pretty good. That was at 48 degrees. So now we're at 50. Well, good thing is it doesn't roll on its back. Still better results than the first time I tried 50 degrees. We still have a lot of lower weight to add, so I'm not too worried. The next upgrade on this SCX24 is gonna be that 4-link conversion. We are gonna stretch it out a little bit further in the front. So thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button if you didn't already. And I hope you come back to watch the 4-link conversion on this SCX24.